Hello, friends. Welcome to our vocabulary lesson for today. So we are starting 5 new words this week. We are in Unit 2. Last week we did week 5 words. This week we're going to do week 6 and we'll have our test on Friday. Before we get started, make sure you have drawn those 5 vocabulary boxes in your notebook so you're ready to write down your words and their definitions today. So let's look at our new words for this week. Our first word this week is smudge, disgruntled, imitate, extravagant, witty. So we have some new words. You might even recognize some prefixes on a couple of these. Let's start off with our first word, which is smudge, S-M-U-D-G-E, smudge. It is a noun, so it's a thing. And it means a blurry spot or streak. So if you've ever dropped water on your paper and tried to wipe it off, especially on notebook paper, and you see like the blue line kind of slides with it, that would be a smudge, a blurry spot or streak. You also sometimes have a smudge on your car if the dirt got rubbed around. So our first word is smudge, S-M-U-D-G-E. It is a noun meaning a blurry spot or streak. Our next word is disgruntled. So this has a prefix on it, dis, D-I-S, gruntled, G-R-U-N-T-L-E-D. It is an adjective, so it means it's describing something, usually a person. And disgruntled means to be in a bad mood. Disgruntled is to be in a bad mood. If a person is upset over, let's say the store doesn't have the grocery that they need, they might be disgruntled. Or if you've ever gone to McDonald's to get a milkshake and their ice cream machine is down, you might be disgruntled, a disgruntled person, because you are in a bad mood. Disgruntled, again, is an adjective that means to be in a bad mood. Our next word is imitate, I-M-I-T-A-T-E, imitate. It is a verb or an action, imitate, and it means to copy someone or follow their example. To copy someone or follow their example. If you play copycat, you are imitating someone. A lot of times brothers and sisters like to imitate each other, to be mean and tease each other. So imitate means to copy someone or follow their example. You also imitate me when you copy notes from the videos. All right, our next word is extravagant. Extravagant, E-X-T-R-A-V-A-G-A-N-T, extravagant. And extravagant is an adjective describing something, usually a thing. And extravagant means more than what is reasonable or needed. More than what is reasonable or needed. So sometimes you'll say that was an extravagant collection of stuffed animals. Way more than what is needed or even reasonable. Sometimes people throw an extravagant party. They go all out craziness with it, with the decorations and the food and everything. So the word is extravagant, E-X-T-R-A-V-A-G-A-N-T. It is an adjective that means more than what is reasonable or needed. And our next word is witty, W-I-T-T-Y, witty, which is an adjective. Again, going to probably describe a person. And witty means full of wit or humor. If you have a friend that's kind of humorous or is always kind of telling little jokes throughout their day, they would be considered witty, full of wit or humor. Witty, W-I-T-T-Y, is an adjective that means full of wit or humor. All right, I will see you tomorrow for our sentences, synonyms, and antonyms.